Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Car Log channel. Today, I'm bringing you something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. Cadillac has always been a symbol of American luxury, but with this model, they've taken things to a whole new level. This isn't just a motorhome, this is a rolling luxury mansion on wheels. Let's start with the exterior. Just look at that bold Cadillac grille, the signature vertical LED lighting, and those aerodynamic body lines. Finished in this deep metallic red, it has a commanding presence that demands attention wherever it goes. The chrome accents, the massive alloy wheels, and the flush side panels give it a futuristic yet classy look. Cadillac has managed to combine elegance with strength, something we rarely see in motorhomes. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a world of absolute comfort. The interior is wrapped in premium leather, with handcrafted details on every surface. Ambient lighting creates a calm, inviting atmosphere. The driver's cockpit feels like something out of a private jet, with a fully digital dashboard, advanced driver assistance features, and Cadillac's signature luxury touches. In the living area, you'll find recliner seating, a full entertainment system, large smart TVs, and even a built-in sound system designed to deliver theater-quality audio. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, while the bedroom feels like a five-star hotel suite on wheels. This isn't just travel, it's living in style. Now let's talk about technology. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome comes with smart automation, voice-controlled lighting, climate, and even entertainment. Connectivity is seamless, with 5G-ready systems and satellite internet for travelers who never want to disconnect. The safety package includes 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced emergency braking. Whether you're driving through city streets or cruising across the country, you'll feel both safe and in complete control. Under the hood, this Cadillac isn't just about looks, it's built with power and smooth performance. The engine delivers strong acceleration while keeping the ride quiet and refined, true to Cadillac tradition. To sum it up, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is more than just transportation. It's a statement of luxury, freedom, and innovation. Cadillac has created a motorhome that lets you travel the world without ever leaving the comfort of a luxury suite. For anyone who dreams big, this vehicle is the definition of traveling in first class, on wheels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take a trip in this Cadillac Motorhome? Let me know!